Welcome to GNC Industries. We know that time is money. Ease of use, flexibility, and performance are the keys to saving time. That is why the new turnkey sprayer from GNC is the sprayer for you. This sprayer has a mounted power source that will operate your electric hose reel and your electric start engine. There will not be a need to hook your sprayer to a power source on your truck, trailer, or independent battery. The commercial engine will recharge your power source while it is running. This will allow you the flexibility to move your sprayer from vehicle to vehicle at a moment's notice. At least once a month, you will hook your power source up to a battery charger and let it charge. This is only to ensure the long life of your battery and any unexpected interruptions. That's all you need to do. So when you're looking for a complete sprayer that is going to save you time and make you money, think of the all-new GNC Turnkey Sprayer and visit your local dealer today.